Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Get bigger and bigger and bigger. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another update, and this is going to be March by the time you watch this. This month I was actually able to do it a little early, 2 days early. This way you didn't have to wait. So, we know we do these updates each month to let you know what's going on with the company, with me, the employees, the industry, the product, everything. I love to keep that connection with my customers, vendors, friends, and everybody else. So, I made some notes because there's actually a lot to talk about this month. We are in tax season. Actually, today I'm recording this the 25th Saturday, so that means we have 2 more work days. And I want to announce we are on track to do $1 million this month. Yes, $1 million. Now, that sounds like a huge number. You might think I walk away with $1 million. That does not happen, but I can tell you that is a great number to hit. We actually haven't hit that for a month. Since all the way back in COVID days. So pretty impressive. It tells that the work we're doing online, the work that the employees here are doing, customer service, sales, everybody, it shows that that is being done properly, and the brands and product we're bringing in are working out. So talking about brands, we did get our first shipment of MechMan. For all you don't know who that is a alternator manufacturer. They make all your 300, 400 amp alternators that fit pretty much every vehicle out there. We actually ordered some for the Yukon. We will be running 3 400 amp alternators. You can order them around between $500 and $600. And if you want it custom colored, I think it's extra $35, and if we have it in stock, we'll ship it. If not, it will take 2 weeks to be made. But your normal factory grayish looking that you see, that is pretty standard, and we have them in stock. So check that out. MechMan alternators. Okay, another thing I want to bring up, we are starting Team Big Jeff. We get it all the time. Customers want to be sponsored, or if we have a team. I am in the middle of having some shirts designed with the logo and says team, and also stickers for your vehicles. What does that mean if you get put on the team? Well, it's going to get you a permanent discount as long as you're buying product from us and you're helping us with some online marketing and advertising, and or the affiliate program, which we talked about last month. And just be a part of the team. We'll try to do possibly some updates directly with the team and any upcoming shows, and hopefully we might even be able to build an actual team that rides out together to go to shows once we get the Yukon finished. All right, next thing I want to talk about, Mart's Digital. It's been kicking butt. We just got in the 2 30K amps. One is more of a bass amp, and another one is full range. I just found out in April they will be shipping all the bass amps. So just like your Terzers amp, I don't want to say the word. They have the bass 3K, 5K, etc. Those will be coming in also with all the full range amps. So that's really cool. We've been having great luck. 0 returns on them. That means they're not blowing up, they're not frying, they're not smoking. I'm not hearing, oh, it's bad out of the box. So that is great news, and a big shout out to Mart's Digital, who picked us out of thousands of companies that could have launched the product line for them. Let's see, next. So I ripped out the Rockford P312 and the Audio Control 800 watt amp. Nothing against Rockford or Audio Control, 2 of the best brands for quality in my opinion. But I am rocking, and hopefully we'll be done next week. We'll have pictures and video up. We are going with a Hooligan 12 from DS18. Shout out to DS18. We like it loud. And we are doing a 5,000 watt amplifier in the back of my 7 Series. Gage, local shop, I think it's XLR8, will be doing the install. He is the one doing the Yukon also, has done all my personal stuff. little plexiglass window, some LED. We want to show off that huge hooligan basket and magnet, so I'm excited about that. All right, it is tax time right now. We have some sales going on. By the time you hear this, you still will have time for Def Bounce and Martz. I believe everything is anywhere from up to 20%, I believe, which is a lot when you're coming off of the selling price, and you don't need any discount codes. Also want to introduce, we have a new feature on our website. You'll see under each product in your checkout, the more you spend, the more you'll save. It automatically discounts, so even on top of that discount, you will save money. People that spend $250, $500, $1,000, all the way up will save a larger percentage automatically. That is on the sales, BigJeffAudio.com. And also for you dealers, if you're watching this, BigJeffAudioDealer.com. If you're on our dealer platform, we have now set up a same type. So everybody that wants key dealer or better pricing, the more you spend, the more you save. So cool features, a lot of things we're doing with technology these days. Okay, I've talked about it here and there on social media, but we now own 737 Big Jeff. It is the phone number. It is awesome. You could text it, WhatsApp it, or call it. And again, that is 737-244-5333, or easier, 737 Big Jeff. All right. Kind of love that, having a number. All right. We got some new sales reps in. Fernando and Alejandro. Actually, we have a new sales manager here, so that's going to be great. We have a bunch of new CSR reps here. I think we are now either at 30 or over 30 employees. We need to put together a new family tree here. Let's see what else we got. Discounts on the site. Oh, let's talk about Sundown. So I'm seeing Sundown dealers popping up and people on the website. Oh, we're official with this and that. Be careful who you buy from. Double check with Sundown. Just make sure you're getting it with a discount. I can tell you, we are not just an authorized dealer. We're also the distributor. So for any of you dealers out there looking to get product in fast and a good price, check us out. We're proud to have that brand on our platform. Okay, let's touch base about American Base. I brought up a little before. Take advantage now. We are blowing it out. Retail and wholesale. On the dealer side, if you're interested, make an offer on what we have. Me and Bob are not friendly. I can tell you over the years, he won't warranty product. Any customers that call there, they just send them somewhere else. And even now, I can't even tell you what he's doing. He wasn't supplying product to the wholesale house, which was supposed to be the nationwide distributor. And they dropped the brand. And now he's trying to pull it back. Good luck. Nothing against the brand, but I don't like Bob. And instead of working with Big Jeff, who's been selling American Base for several years now, he is not. So take advantage of the situation, buy it up, or let it go. Doesn't matter to me. And people keep talking about these King subs and all that. They're not available. He doesn't have them. He went ahead and purchased 2 promos for a show. Again, they're not available. They look exactly like Def Bounce model, but hey, whatever you like, you do you. So go to American Base. Any of the product has a second discount. It is over 20% off. Grab it while you can. Okay, so you know, these are times of the year where we are busier than all heck. We had a record last Monday, all-time amount of orders and items sold. I'm hoping this Monday in 2 days we either at least meet that or beat that. Everybody gets this time of year to get money and spend it, and I would love for you to spend it this way and become part of the Big Jeff Audio family. We have tons of giveaways and goodies and things to give you, and man, we love the support. So this is another update for March 2023. I'm Big Jeff. I'm signing off until next time.